POC Network here with another unboxing, and we have something very unique today coming from a company that really cares about your sleep. And what this is called is OOLER, kind of like cooler, but without the C. And what this is a sleep system that uses water to cool or heat you while you sleep to help regulate your body temperature. So if you're kind of a warm sleeper, this will help to kind of cool you down so that way you're not waking up so much throughout the evening. The whole thing is water controlled, and it is said to be able to control the temperature by somewhere around 15 degrees or even more than that. So if you're a really, really hot sleeper, this might actually be able to help you all the same. It is an enclosed, sealed design, so you're not going to get any water leaking out into your bed or anything like that, which is, of course, is important, you know, and it comes with like a long list of features, you know, like it has the ability to work with Apple Watch and Fitbit to help with your sleep tracking and be able to provide data to those platforms, as well as it supports iOS and Android in general for an app, so via Bluetooth, so everything can be controlled remotely. It can wake you up in the morning by warming up your body temperature a little bit, giving you a natural wake up instead of an audible alarm. It even self-cleans itself using self-cleaning cycles, and it's quiet. It puts out about like 45 decibels in noise via the fan unit or the control system that controls the temperature of the water-cooled mattress. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna open this up, we're gonna see what's inside the box. What does it look like? What does it come with? And then you'll go to the website at pocnetwork.net once we've had time to actually test this out and do a whole story on this. Chances are, few of us, I say us because I'm hoping to be one of them, will probably take this home and actually use it to see how it enhances our sleep. But for now, let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. So the first thing you're presented with when you open a box, it looks like to be the mattress itself and the hose. And don't be turned off by that because you're gonna hide this. This is gonna go off the side of your bed or something and off to the control unit. All you're gonna be experiencing really is, but I'll drop it on the floor, the mattress. And this is where all the water runs through the tubes and goes into the mattress, so it goes in and out like a normal water-cooled system, like in your computer or something like that. And this is what helps you sleep. Further in, you have an additional box here, which completes the kit, or at least of the stuff that's in the main box. And this is what's gonna control or contain everything else, including the actual control system. And inside this box, you have styrofoam, and you have the control unit, which has some pretty good weight to it. So hopefully that means with all that weight comes a lot of performance. You have an instruction manual that says instructions for a good night's sleep. And you have a power cable and some kind of an adapter. And that's it. Nothing else in this box. On the back of the unit, you have two water valves here. The hose plugs into that. And then you send this running over to your bed where you'll lay out the mattress underneath maybe your sheet. And then you have a connection here for the power cable to run it to your wall. The sides don't seem to contain anything. It's just an air release, it looks like, or at least where air comes in and out of the unit itself. The bottom is just some rubberized feet to stop it from sliding around. On the front here, you have a little screen here. You have a power button and you have a up and down button. Looks like volume up and down, which might be just the intensity of the fan itself possibly, or actually the temperature intensity of what the fan's doing. And then you have a little valve here that you can take out. It's a lot similar to what you'd find in your car or something like that, and you'd fill that with water. So water goes in here, comes out of your valve here, or the release in the back to the hose, the mattress, and it cools you while you sleep, or heats you during the winter months, which is kind of cool if you're feeling a little cold in bed. So, but that's it. It's simple. So again, this is the OOLER, and you can find more information at ooler.co, or check us out at pocnetwork.net. We're gonna definitely test this out and let you know what we think about this. We have high expectations, as anybody would when it comes to getting a better night's sleep, because who doesn't want a better night's sleep. But we'll have more about that on POCnetwork.net once we actually had the chance to test it out. And we're probably going to give it a number of nights sleep between at least a few of us to get a really solid idea of how we feel about it. But again, that's POCnetwork.net come time. And if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below. We have that subscription button right down there, as well as the comment section, so everybody, including us, can all talk amongst each other. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.